how I make a black bean salad. This healthy plant-based meal is easy and under 10 minutes to prepare if your beans and millet are already pre-cooked. I have some beans and millet from yesterday's meal prep, so I will be using that. Let's look at the ingredients needed to make this delectable meal. Ingredients: 1/2 of avocado, 5 cherry tomatoes or 2 Roma tomatoes, several slices of red onion, 1 handful arugula mixed with green leaf lettuce, 1 cup black beans pre-cooked and drained, 1/3 cup of pre-cooked millet. Instructions: chop up the half avocado, tomatoes, and several slices of red onion. Use the arugula and lettuce as your base. Add your millet next. Add your black beans. Then add your chopped avocado, onion, and tomatoes. That's it. Serve and enjoy. I will leave the recipe on screen for a moment if you need to pause the video. For more tips and health suggestions, pick up my book, The Fountain of Youth Lifestyle, in ebook or paperback at Amazon and Apple Books. Please like, share, follow, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, take care. lhlclub.com.